Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fold down BMW 5 Series rear seats. This process is straightforward and significantly increases your cargo space. First, open your trunk and look for two distinct release levers, usually located near the top of the seatbacks. Before pulling them, make sure there are no objects on or around the seats that could obstruct their movement. Once clear, pull each lever firmly to unlock the seatbacks. After unlocking, you can gently push the seatbacks forward. You can do this either from inside the trunk or by going into the passenger compartment and pushing them down from there. The seatbacks are designed to fold down smoothly, creating a continuous, flat surface. Make sure both seatbacks are fully lowered and lie completely flat to maximize the available cargo area in your vehicle. Folding down the rear seats transforms your BMW 5 Series, creating a much larger and more versatile cargo area. This expanded space is perfect for carrying longer or bulkier items that wouldn't fit otherwise. The resulting pass-through from the trunk into the cabin is quite generous, typically measuring around 28 inches wide, providing ample room for various loads. It's a practical feature for everyday utility. Here are a few important tips to remember. Always double-check that no items are left on the seats before folding them down, as this could cause damage. When you're ready to put the seats back up, ensure that the seat belts are not caught or twisted. Finally, push each seat back firmly into its upright position until you hear a distinct click, confirming it is securely latched.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.